Okay. Okay, YouTubers, I am back with another video, and today I will be playing Subway Surfers. So, don't forget to like and subscribe for the video, and I hope you like it. I'll be commentating while playing the game, so hopefully you guys will like it. And my tablet's a bit slow, so don't be mad if it takes a little while. I'm not very good at this game. High score wasn't my score. So in the comments below, tell me your scores on this game. See if you like it. This game's been out for a long time, but you know I've had it on here for a long time. And my tablet just isn't the best thing in the world to be using. Not very good. And you guys want to know how I'm recording gameplay? I am using an app on Android called ADV Recorder. It's free for you guys to get if you guys want to start recording videos for YouTube. You gotta be very careful for these subways because they come really fast later on in the game, but when you first start out they're going pretty slow. But once you get the hang of it, it's kind of easy. But you know, stuff just comes at you too fast, like that. Hi. I'm gonna go and check the top runs. And it looks like in the highest place right now, it has been covered by Antigona. Sorry if I'm saying that wrong. I'm not very good at reading. And I'm in last. Yeah, so I told you once before, I'm not very good at this game. So, if you guys are gonna put bad comments on me playing video games, yeah, that's perfectly fine, because I know I'm really bad at this. Looks like I'm gonna try and beat somebody's top run over there to the right-hand side of the screen. Let's see if I can do it. 3,000, about 3,000 more to go. 2,005. 2,000 left. Let's see if I can do it, guys. Hopefully I can. 1,500 left. I'm getting real close. Come on, 500. Alright, guys, it looks like I've made it, and I'm going for somebody else's run. That one wasn't much farther ahead, so that should be easier. Look at all these people coming in now. Woo! This guy's gonna be easy to beat. Hopefully. This guy's actually kind of far ahead. Let's hope he's not too good. Or just hope that I can be good for now to be able to get up ahead of him. Later on in the future, I will be doing Agario videos. So don't forget to like, and if we get 50 likes on this video, then I will post more Subway Surfers and more Agario videos whenever you guys like. Looks like I just beat that person's score, so I'll move on to the next person. 300. Oh, dang. Looks like I couldn't beat that person. But I did pretty good on that round. That was the best one I've ever done in a while. But, I hope you guys like the video today. I know it's kind of short and all, but it's getting kind of late, and I have school tomorrow, so I have to go to bed. So I know I have plenty of sleep, and I'm ready for school tomorrow. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay? Bye! Sorry, I kind of got stuck on recording. It wouldn't